Let's face it, managing a family budget can be challenging and intimidating. But a key to getting your financial house in order could be your home itself. Whether it's millennials looking to purchase their first home or homeowners wanting to unlock the equity in their house, a credit union can be a wise choice compared to a traditional bank.
The short answer, why a credit union is a better option, is traditionally rates, better rates, more personalized, better service, and lower fees. One of the things that differentiates a bank from a credit union is credit union takes the time to educate its members. So we empower our members so the decisions that members make, they feel comfortable with and they understand. We do banking for a living. Most people don't.
Well, with the credit union, you're going to get that personalized service. We kind of just evaluate you as a whole. You're coming to us to refinance a mortgage or take out a home equity loan to renovate your home. So we try to do our best to kind of help you, put you in the right direction, talk to you about several loan products that we offer, see which one best fits your needs.
For instance, Jerry Lanny, a Long Island homeowner, had good reason to want to tap the equity in his home.
We owned our house, and my daughter had gave birth to quadruplets, and my wife had to retire, and we had to help her out with the kids. Situation was that the house was paid for. We had a lot of equity in the house, and we just had a lot of bills that we had to pay.
Jerry Lanny received a financial education and found the personalized customer service he was looking for, not at a bank, but at Quorum Federal Credit Union. Here, members are able to find answers to unlock the financial freedom offered by homeownership without ever having to leave their home.
The vision of Quorum and why members typically turn to Quorum is that Quorum strives to be a safe, affordable, and modern alternative to traditional banking.
But it's how Quorum does business that is most important to its members. A membership to a credit union provides access to innovative financial tools, as well as unbiased advice from financial advisors. Experts like Kathy Hernandez, who was Quorum's top award-winning lending agent for 2018, for her personalized service to members, anytime, anywhere.
I work from home, so I have pretty flexible working hours. I'm pretty much available to them whenever they need. An email away, a phone call away. And with Mr. Alani, it was more of, if he had a question or he felt like I was always there for him, no matter the need. And we kind of just walked through the whole process with him, and he was happy at the end of the day. We gave him a good product. He felt like he got what he was looking for, good rate, and we were just pretty flexible with him. So, we talk on the phone, email a lot, and just kind of give him that service that he's looking for to get the loan that he needs.
It was very easy. It was just like talking to your neighbor or a friend. I never met Kathy, even to this day. I don't know what she looks like, where instead of being in an office at a bank where I would have to go to, I was able to do this at my home, over the phone.
We strive to do what is best for our members. And I am happy each and every day that we can help a homeowner obtain the loan that they need to buy a home or a home equity line of credit to renovate.
Quorum's all about you. We have the financial products to help you live the life you choose.
To learn more about Quorum's banking that's good for you and how you can become a member, go to their website, quorumfcu.org, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again.